welcome back to the channel. I was busy actually for at least for 6 to 7 weeks. I was doing something in real estate, so I was just completely stuck with that. Anyway, I'm back with the number one top easy recipe for you guys. First of all, subscribe to the channel. Let's move towards the recipe. So here I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. This is a whole chicken breast. I'll just cut the breast from the middle. This is a whole chicken breast, if you guys can see. So once you cut the chicken, right, take the chicken breast and just give the chicken slight cuts right on top of it. It's just because when we put the marination, it actually gets in there. Normally, you guys know when you're cooking the whole chicken breast, the recipe, the flavors, they don't get into the meat. And in this recipe, we are making what we are making. You already know by now from the title and the thumbnail. It's a turmeric chicken breast. You guys see how beautiful they look after the cuts. This is a whole chicken breast fillet. So it's very easy, quick recipe. You don't have to leave the chicken for overnight marination. With the help of these cuts, it will help the marination to get in there and do the job very quickly. Place the chicken breast right here in a bowl, all of them, all 4 of them. Just like this. This is crushed ginger and garlic. So I have 4 breasts. It's approximately around 2 pounds of chicken. This is 6 cloves of garlic, and how should I say, a half teaspoon of ginger. So first we will put this right on top of it. This will be the newest, the best ever recipe of the turmeric chicken. We will add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay. Salt, I would say half tablespoon of salt. Get canola oil, since we are making this chicken breast in our air fryer grill. So if you're making this in a pan, you can add less oil. I would say 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm making in the air fryer, and I would strongly suggest do try this recipe in the air fryer grill. So for that, we will use at least 4 tablespoons of oil. So here goes the 4 tablespoons of oil. Perfectly done. We'll grab our bowl and gently again massage. And spread all the marination, the seasoning on top of the chicken. The turmeric has its own aroma, its own color, and its own flavor. The black pepper will give a little bit hot kick to the chicken. Just make sure you massage the chicken so all the seasoning get evenly spread it in there. It's so easy, quick recipe. It literally took I would say maybe 5 minutes just to marinate this. And the flavors, I promise you, they'll be the wonderful flavors. Just making sure everything gets in there. Turmeric gets here evenly on the layer. So right now we are just forming a thin layer of this whole seasoning on top of our chicken. If you guys see how beautiful yellow color it formed, this is the turmeric chicken breast at its best. With just 5 ingredients, you will get the best flavor ever. Okay, So it all looks good. It has a thin layer. We will remove our gloves. We will turn on our Ninja Foodie grill. We will set to the grill. It says 500. We are okay with the 500, and we will cook it at least for, normally 7 minutes is enough for each side, but I want it a little bit well cooked chicken, so we will set the timer for 18 minutes. So let the grill preheat at 500 degree, the air fryer grill, and we'll wait until this says it's ready to put the meat in. Normally it takes around a couple minutes, so we'll wait at least for a couple minutes. Alright, so our grill is ready. We will grab our chicken with the tong. Definitely we are not putting our hands in there, otherwise our hands won't be this pretty for the future. So place the chicken in the air fryer grill. First we will put the face up with 2 face ups, 2 face downs, so you guys can have both of the experiences, how it's gonna come at the end. So there are 2 face ups with the cuts and 2 face down with the cuts. Alright, the chicken is sizzling in here perfectly. Aroma is wonderful. What we will do, we'll close down the lid and we will cook our chicken right here at least for 9 minutes. And after 9 minutes, we will open up the lid, flip the chickens, and we will I will take you guys from there. All right, 9 minutes. This is the initial 9 minutes. All right, let's flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Here you go. Now these 2 pieces, the cut size are up. You see this? How beautiful it looks. Just flip, 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 and there you go. Alright guys, another 9 minutes. Guys, it's been 18 minutes. I have got some brown rice out for my turmeric chicken breast. I chopped some tomato, some cucumber, and the fresh lemon. They're all gonna go perfect together with our turmeric chicken breast in air fryer. And here is the here's the ring for it. So there you go guys, take a look here. All beautifully done, fully roasted, I would say. You guys see the crust on top of the chicken? Yum yum. So for now, for myself, I'll just take 2 pieces out. You can hear the sizzle. And it's juicy at the same time. Wow, roasted and juicy. Okay, so here goes the first piece. How much it shrinked. And this is the second one. Here you go guys, turmeric chicken breast. It's a whole platter, it's a whole meal right here in front of you guys. Moment of truth, chicken. Oh wow, this is super soft, wonderfully done. Here goes the first bite. Honestly, it's delicious. Let me cut it right here in the middle. All perfectly done, guys. Oh wow, the flavor of the turmeric, yum. Check this. So let me put some lemon right on top. Okay, fresh lemon. Anyway guys, do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is the healthiest perfect turmeric chicken breast you can ever make at home by yourself with only 5 ingredients. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and do share your thoughts in the comments. Until then, take care of yourself. I won't be taking this long, no more breaks. But here we are with the best ever recipe, easy to make. Right away in 30 minutes you can have this beautiful lunch or dinner for yourself. Here you go, super healthy with some brown rice, lemon, tomatoes, cucumbers, still steaming. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Adios.